Rubix Talent Kids.
Hi friends, my name is Nidhish. Today I will be explaining your topic triangle and its properties. This topic will come for you in class 7 maths. Now let's learn about triangle and its properties. First let's see what is a triangle. A triangle is a simple closed curve made up of three line segments. This is the first line segment, this is the second line segment and this is the third line segment. Now let's see the properties of this triangle. Here let's take what are its sides, vertices and angles. Now let's see about these three one by one. First let's see about sides. Now we have AB, now we have BC and CA. Now the vertices means the corners. Now we have A, B and C as the corners. Here the angles means that the angle formed by these two line segments. Here we have angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle A is written as this side, line segment B and A. Now we will write B, A. Then we have A and C. We will write C. Now we have the angle BAC. Similarly for C, we would write ACB and then we would write here. Now these are the angles. We can also write them as angle A, angle C, angle B, like that. Now let's see how to classify triangles. We can classify triangles in two ways. One, by its sides. The other by its angles. Now let's see about this one by one. Friends, here I said that there were two ways how to classify triangles, in which one of the ways is by sides and angles. Now let's see the three triangles which come under sides and angles. First let's see about sides. Now the triangles which come under which can be classified under sides is scalene triangle, scalene, equilateral. These are the three triangles which can be classified by sides. Now let's see the triangles which can be classified by angles. We have acute, obtuse and right. Now these are the three types of triangles which can be classified under angles. Now let's see the properties of triangles. Friends, now let's see about medians and altitudes. Now these are one kind of property of triangles. Now let's take a triangle like this. Now this is a triangle. Now the midpoint of this line segment. Now the midpoint may be like this. Here. This is called the median. The midpoint is called median. Now a triangle has three medians because it has three sides. One would be over here, one would be over here and one would be over here. Now we have three medians. We can say that a triangle has three medians. Now similarly for these kind of triangles, the median would be like here, and on this side it would be here, like on this side it would be here. Now let's see what is altitude. Now let's take a triangle. Now this is a triangle. This is the median. This part is the median. Because it is the midpoint of this angle, this is the median. Now here the altitude means that the height of this triangle. The height of this triangle is called altitude. Now from here to straight. Now altitude refers to that we can define altitude as the height of the triangle or the perpendicular line drawn from the topmost point of a triangle to the bottom line segment. Like, friends, here this is a triangle. Now here, from here to here, the perpendicular line means that on the both sides it should form an angle of 90 degrees. 90 degrees. It should form an angle of 90 degrees. Now the perpendicular line drawn from this point. Let's take this point as A. From point A to here, let's take this point as D. Now the distance from point A to point D is the altitude of the triangle. Now median means the midpoint of the bottom line segment. That is called the median. Now let's see about the next topic. Friends, now let's see about the exterior angle property. Now this property means that we take a triangle over here. Now let's extend this side. This is point C, this is point B, this is point A. Now we extend this. This side may be 55 degrees. Let's take this angle as 55 degrees. Let's take this angle as 65 degrees. And let's take this as 60 degrees. Now here, we have extended this angle. So now we have extended this line segment. Now here there would be angle formed. We have to find out the angle. This is when the exterior angle property comes. Here, this says that the exterior. Now here the line segment is extended. Now to find, let's take this angle as x. Now here, to find the value of x, we have this property. This property refers to angle A plus angle B. Means this angle plus this angle equals to angle x, which means this angle. Now here 55 degrees plus 65 degrees. Now then 55 plus 65 equals to x. Then how much would it be? 120 equals to x. Then this angle would be 120 degrees. Now this is an exterior angle property. Now let's extend this side. Now this side, let's take this side as y. Now to find this angle, we have to add this side and this side. Then 55 plus 60 would equal to 115. So 115 degrees is the answer. Now let's see about our next topic. Friends, now let's see about our next topic, which is angle sum property. Now let's take a triangle. Now this, let's mark it as triangle ABC. Let's take this angle as 70 degrees, that angle is 70, this angle as 30 degrees, this angle as 80 degrees. Now here, this angle sum property states that the three angles of a triangle add up to 180. Here 70 plus 80 plus 30. 70 plus 80 plus 30 equals to 180. 70 plus 30 equals 100. 100 plus 80 equals to 180. Now this angle sum property says that all the angles of a triangle should add up to 180. Now I have an activity for you. Now take a triangle. 180. By the way, 180 degrees means a straight line. Now all of these angles would add up to a straight line. Now here, the activity is that take a triangle, cut it into three pieces where each of the vertices are separated. Now take each vertices and keep them side by side. Like this. After you keep them all in a line, here it would form a straight line. If you keep it in any order also, it would form a straight line. This is because of angle sum property. If a triangle doesn't follow this angle sum property, it's not even a triangle. Now let's see about our next topic. Friends, now let's see about our next topic, which is isosceles and equilateral triangles. Now here we will learn about these two types of triangles. These two triangles are based on sides. Here first let's see about isosceles triangle. Now here we have a triangle. Now this triangle, if this triangle is considered an isosceles triangle, it should follow a rule, which is this side should equal to this side. We will take this as A, this as B and this as C. Here this isosceles triangle has a rule, which is AB should equals to AC. So the distance of this side should equal to the distance of this side. We have nothing to do with this one. Suppose a triangle like this is also isosceles triangle because these two sides are equal. Now this is an isosceles triangle. Now let's see about an equilateral triangle. Friends, now let's see about an equilateral triangle. Here an equilateral triangle follows two rules, which is that each angle should measure up to 60 degrees only. Now each angle should be 60 degrees. Here each angle should be 60 degrees. So 3 angles, 3 into 60, which equals to 180. Now here also, here equilateral triangles also have a rule like isosceles triangles, like AB equals to BC equals to CA. The distance of AB is the same as BC and is also same as CA. Now this is the equilateral triangle. Now let's see about our next topic. Friends, now let's see about our next topic, which is the sum, of two sides of a triangle. Sum of two sides. First let's take a triangle. Now this is a triangle. Now this we will take this side as 7 centimeter, this side as 9 centimeter, this side as 6 centimeter. Every triangle must follow this property. Now let's see what is that property. Here AB side is 7 centimeter, BC side is 9 centimeter and AC side is 6 centimeter. Here AB, which is 7 centimeter, and AC, which is 6 centimeter. Now 7 plus 6 equals to 13, which is greater than 9. Now 9 plus 6 equals to 15, which is greater than 7. Now here 7 means AB, 6 means AC. AB plus AC equals to, AC plus AB is greater than BC. Then BC plus AC is also greater than AB. Then BC plus AB is also greater than AC. Now here, this means that the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now let's take this as side 1, this is side 2 and this is as side 3. Now the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the sum of the third side. Now here suppose let's take this as 2 centimeter. Now this should not equal to this side. Now 2 centimeter plus 7 centimeter equals to 9 centimeter, which is not greater than this side. That's why this cannot be a triangle. Every triangle must follow this property. Now let's take another triangle. Now this is B, this is C. Now we have the three sides of a triangle. Now this is like 15 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Now AB plus AC equals to 28. which is greater than this side. BC plus AC equals to 18, which is greater than this side. AB plus BC equals to 20 cm, which is greater than this side. Now let's move on to our next topic. Friends, now let's learn about Pythagoras property. This property is only applicable for right angle triangles. Right angle triangles means these, which means that one of its sides is 90 degrees. These kind of triangles are called right angle triangles. Now this property is only applicable for these kind of triangles. Here the altitude, the length of this side of the triangle is the height of the total triangle, which means that altitude is this side. Now let's learn about this triangle. Now firstly, what does Pythagoras property say? Here, hypotenuse triangle. First, before learning about this Pythagoras property, let's see one part. This side is called, let's take this side, we will call this side as leg 1, this side as leg 2, because these two are the main parts of the triangle, and this side as hypotenuse, we will write it as HYP. Now the Pythagoras property says that leg 1 square plus leg 2 square equals to hypotenuse square. Now let's see about this hypotenuse property. Now here, leg 1 means this side, AC square plus BC square equals to hypotenuse square, which means this side. Now let's take this side as 3 cm, this side as 4 cm, and this side as 5 cm. Now then 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square, which means that 3 square equals to 3 into 3, which equals to 9, then plus 4 into 4, which equals to 16, equals to 5 into 5 equals to 25, then 9 plus 16 equals to 25. This is Pythagoras property. Now similarly, let's see another pair. Now let's take this side as 5 cm, this side as 12 cm. They asked a question saying that one of AC length is 5 cm, BC length is 12 cm. We have to find the length of the hypotenuse, which means AB. Now then we would have a formula like A square plus 5 square plus 12 square equals to, we have nothing here, so let's take it as x square. Then 5 square plus 12 square, 25 plus 144 equals to x square. Then that would mean that 169 equals to x square. If the square comes to this side, it will become square root. Then square root of 169 will equal to 13. 13 equals to x. Now this side is 13 cm. Thank you friends. That's today's video. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. I hope this video helps you in understanding triangle and its properties. Thank you friends.